Hello, my dear followers. Today I am preparing a nice flavor for you, for those who work, for students, for those who love tacos, with such a beautiful sauce with minced meat in tortillas. Let's see what's in our taco, dear followers. It will be a homemade taco prepared with minced meat, spices, cheddar cheese, pickles and greens. Now, first of all, dear followers, we're going to flavor our minced meat. What is in our minced meat? I'll add ground red pepper, chili pepper, black pepper, salt, olive oil, and a little water. One teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ground red pepper, chili pepper on 400 grams of minced meat. I also added a little olive oil because it's not a fatty minced meat, and I'll add half a tea glass of water here. The reason I'm adding water is so that we can spread the minced meat on it easily, dear followers. Our lavash is ready now. You can use small, medium or large sized tortillas, my dear followers, because they come with sizes and you can pick whichever you like. I am preparing my taco with cheddar cheese and pickles, dear followers. I mix it, it got soft, it's softened now with the spices, and now I'm taking a tortilla over here. I'm going to take a little bit of minced meat from here, dear followers, and now I'm spreading the minced meat over here. We will spread it super thin so we save time, and it is a nice flavor too. Kids are going to love this taste. We got 9 tacos out of this measure, my dear followers. If you want, you can use less minced meat for each and increase the number even more. Now I'm going to prepare the filling salad. You can use onions, tomatoes, greens, or whatever you got at home. Pickles and cheddar cheese are the key here. They will give flavor. So I'm chopping the onion, tomato, and the greens for the filling. Then I'll put the pans on the stove and turn it on so that they start warming up for the tacos. Now the cooking part is extremely easy and practical. This is such a spectacular taste. I finished chopping tomatoes, greens, parsley and onions for the filling. We got a nice salad. The pickle is ready. I saved some roasted eggplants from our previous recipe because I'm going to use them for a taco. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First, we take the tortilla into the pan like this, my dear followers. The tortilla side heats up first. Then I flip it over to the minced meat side. Dear followers, in the second one, I'm trying something. I put the surface with minced meat to the pan first. Remember, in the previous one, I put the tortilla side facing the pan. Both methods work, but it's better if you do the first one. You want to know why? Because it helps the cheddar cheese melt while getting heat from the bottom. Look, just check it out, my dear followers. The minced meat fries very quickly. It takes about 2 minutes to fry. While this one's frying, let's put the pickles on the tortilla right away. Look, do you see the first cooked ones over there? Look, when we put the salad, we just need to fold it into a semicircle. My dears, how is it going? The cooking. Now, my dear followers, let me just check its bottom and, yep, the minced meat is cooked already. Oh God, it's burning. Hurry up, Chef Oktay. Save the tortilla. I'll quickly take it over there, dear followers. I'm sorry, because I realized I set the heat a little high. Now, dear followers, while the cheese is melting with the remaining heat, you can either wait for a while for it to melt, or you can put the salad filling right away like I do. Don't worry, the cheddar will melt in that heat for sure. I make it into a semicircle and close it like this. Well, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to pour some sauce. My dear followers, I'm so sorry. I couldn't, because I didn't take the paper cap off. Let me clean up the mess. One of our tortillas was the big size, dear followers. It's hard to flip over when it's big. I'm going to flip it over with the help of a plate, because we still had some filling left and I wanted to use it, so I spread it over this big tortilla. Now I'm putting the cheddar cheese here right away. So this is the taco with the large tortilla. And now I'm going to place some pickles here. While the tortilla is frying on one side, the cheddar cheese will melt on the other side, dear followers. Well, here comes our last taco, my dear followers. I'll fill this tortilla with the eggplant paste with tahini I prepared in the last video. I want to prepare a taco with roasted eggplant here. It'll be so good. Well, I spread the roasted eggplant, and now I'll add the salad with onions, greens, parsley, and all. You can prepare it using whatever veggies you got at home. Totally up to you. Now add hot sauce. Hot mayonnaise, nice and spicy, okay doke, and a little ketchup. We pour with love. It's a really nice flavor that people are gonna love. My dear followers, you can prepare to your people too. Hold on to this part and fold it into a semicircle. And, you see? We got a nice and tasty taco. It's got a thin layer of minced meat and all, and this is the one with roasted eggplant. Dear followers, Chef Oktay will keep sharing recipe videos in the new season. Please comment below the recipes you would like me to prepare for you. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and supporting me. Thank you so very much. The countdown has started. We're counting back from 10. We are very close to 1 million subscribers. Goodbye. See you soon.